1451 that is not picking up or has a loss of suction, sometimes it will blow dirt out the side. First and foremost, obviously, make certain you've got a bag in the unit. And then what you want to do is this. Start by turning on the unit. Is your brush spinning? If it is, then the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to disconnect the upper hose from the lower hose. As long as you are solidly connected up here, turn your vacuum back on and put your hand over here to see if you have suction. If you have good suction like this, then you will need to automatically jump down to your lower hose. We'll get there in a minute. If you do not have suction through your upper hose, you will need to disconnect it from the vacuum. The bracket is not the easiest in the world to remove your hose from, but once you turn it and get it lined up, your cutouts will enable you to slide it out. Hold it out in front of you just like this. Drop a quarter in the top. If the quarter comes all the way out without shaking your hose at all, your hose is fine. This is not your problem. Your problem is going to be your motor. If everything gets blocked in here because you have a clog, take a broom, stick the handle end of the broom down into the wand portion of the hose. You will then pull the hose over the broom handle, thereby pushing anything out there so that you can grab it with scissors, pliers, whatever. Get it out of there. Now, if you have a clog in your lower hose, as we first discussed, you are going to want to unplug the vacuum, safety first. You have one screw holding this hose flat up against the back of this vacuum. If you undo that screw, you can then flex this hose just like this. So if you remove, don't throw your screwdriver around, but if you will remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, this brush cover will come off. Right here where this lower hose is, this is where your dirt is going in. So with this cover taken off now, you can then take your broom handle, do the same trick with your lower hose that you did with the upper. My broom handle has gone all the way through. It will push any clog out. Remove your broom handle, remove the clog, throw it away. Your lower hose is now free and clear. Put your brush cover back on, put your 4 screws back in, take your lower hose screw, put it back into place, put your hose back on, you should be good to go. Test run your vacuum, make certain it's good. Always check your filters, they can be cleaned and or replaced.